A week ago, it was King Munada and Makadzi fighting over the song, and today, guys, it's Nomcebo and Master KG. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sunny Live Channel, and thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. South Africa just wake up with the shaking news of Master KG and Nomcebo fighting over Jerusalem royalties. On his social media platform, Nomcebo Zikote released a statement that after all the success and the popularity Jerusalem got and the income generated, she hasn't received any cent from the song. Nomcebo has taken the matter to her lawyers. Guys, the news came as a shock to South Africans after anticipating how many millions Jerusalem could have generated and Nomcebo not receiving even a cent. But guys, there is always two sides of story. Master KG replied that Nomcebo is lying, that she haven't been paid. She have received 1.5 million rand from the song so far. Master KG further explained that they agreed to 50-50, but Nomcebo wants 70-30, despite that the song is owned by Master KG. He further mentioned, open quote, last year Nomcebo started Jerusalem tour without me and I never had a problem. A few weeks back I started my tour and then Nomcebo went to the media and created a story that I'm leaving her behind. I don't really know why things must be like this, close quote. Guys, this is really sad and bad, and we don't know who is telling the truth between the two. We don't know what they agreed on before they released the song, but as it mentioned, this matter is now with Nomcebo's lawyers and we are hoping it will be resolved fairly. Guys, when Jerusalem started trending worldwide, fans foresee that this will happen. The song belongs to Master KG, but it trended because of Nomcebo's voice. Should they stick to the agreement of 50-50 or should they revise the percentage to 70-30 as Nomcebo's demand? Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. In that note, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.